feeling na finally? Asan na kayo kanina? Single pa lang kayo, di ba? Tapos ngayon, ikaw jury is business o kampo ka na. Ano feeling?
Medyo nakakapagod, masaya, nakakabigla, pero also it's fine.
Kasi parang ngayon lang namin na-experience sobrang daming ina-asikaso for an event. Tapos wedding pa namin. And it turned out fine naman. So happy kami. And finally, parang nasettle na namin kung ano yung talagang plan namin.
Jessica.
Ayun ka! Sa gabi, yan ang pangalan mo sa gabi, sa umaga.
Bruno.
Ilang taon?
21.
21. Okay. Bruno nga ba? Ano ba talaga? Deljo. Budoy? Budoy. Ano ba? Deljo. Okay, Deljo, 21. Are you... 18. Ay, nako. Ano ba? Deljo, 18. Are you single or in a relationship?
It's complicated eh.
Okay. Parang FB status lang yan, komplikado. Okay, maraming mga ganyan. Okay? Ikaw, kuya, anong name mo? James. Ilang taon?
22 po.
22. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
Single. Okay. Si James, single. Okay? Kuya, ano pong name?
Franco.
Franco. Ilang taon?
23.
23. Are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship.
In a relationship. Okay, sorry. Si Franco taken na. Ikaw, kuya. Ikaw?
Chris.
Chris, ilang taon?
18.
18. Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
Playboy.
Umayos ka ng sagot?
Single.
Single. Nag-isip pa siya. Yun ang alam sa inyo. Sa labas, ano?
Playboy.
Single din. Okay, sige. Name, kuya?
Erickson.
Ilang taon?
21.
21. Are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Wow, in a relationship. Nandito ba? Nandito ba yung ano niya? Wala. Okay. Kuya, ate. Okay lang yan. Join in with the games kasi mamaya sabihin ko yung meaning ng garter and bouquet. It's a game type naman. Name?
Yan.
Yan, ilang taon? 20. Single or in a relationship? Single. Okay. Zero. Ilang taon? 19. Are you single or in a relationship? In a relationship. In a relationship. Okay. Name po? Gia. Ilang taon? 21. Are you single or in a relationship? In a relationship. Parang halos lahat ng girls dito taken na, ha? Name po? Carla. Ilang taon? 20. Are you single or in a relationship? Double siya. Double. Okay? Pwede ba yun? Okay, ano ba? In a relationship. Name po? Rhea, ilang taon? 20. Are you single or in a relationship? Lahat na ng girls dito may mga love life na eh. Ikaw? Uji. Paulit? Uji, ilang taon? 16. Sweet 16. Okay, are you single or in a relationship? In an imaginary relationship. Imaginary relationship. Okay? Pwede din yan. Okay, name po? Cheryl, ilang taon? Yung totoo. 26. Okay. So, are you single or in a relationship? Single. Okay, ma'am. Name po? Myla. Ilang taon? Nag-stop na ng counting? 27. Are you single or in a relationship? Single. Okay. Okay lang yan kasi kapag bata ka pa, syempre marami pa yung mga boys. Okay. Pag natatanda na kasi, medyo hinahanap na natin sa lalaki yung stable na.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo naman.
20 lang pala kami.
Oo, okay lang yan. Bata pa yan, no? Bata pa. Okay, pangalan? Luwian. Luwian, ilang taon?
22.
22. Are you single or in a relationship? Double. Double din? Single. Okay. Name? Lorna. Ilan taon? 16. 16. Sweet 16 din. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single. Ikaw, name?
Leia po.
Leia. Ilan taon? 18. Ano, diyan ka. Di ko malaman. Hindi ko makikita ang beauty mo. Single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single din. Okay. Ikaw na.
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo? Bakit? Pikit ka muna. Gusto mo makita? Okay, tayo ka na, James. Ayan. Siya. Aspected ba yan? Oo, kung ka muna. Siya tayo, malaki lang kita. Okay, sige. Okay, syempre, kayo na bahala kung ano kayo naman Pero syempre, kung gusto niyo mas exciting, save the best for last. Pero kung okay na kayo saan. Pero ano gagawin niyo, hindi gagawin nila. Kayong bahala. Okay? Kayo yung bahala. Okay, piece number 1. Piece number 1.
Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing.
Okay na yan. Thank you very much, James and Rhea. Thank you, Judith and Julie. Okay na yan. Ladies and gentlemen, Judith and Judith. Okay, so in behalf of the family of Judith, the Salutan family and Ocampo family would like to extend our deepest thanks to everyone for being with us here despite of the long way, yung mga galing pa po sa mga probinsya, and also yung mga ibang mga nandito na may mga trabaho, may mga pamilya na panandalian iniwan to be with us. Thank you very much for giving us this day. And to Juris and Judel, good luck and best wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, for the newlyweds, congratulations, Juris and Judel! Salakpakan din po natin ng isa't isa and have a safe way home.